50%. 50%. Gear up.
Do this. Oh, okay. Oh, these are standard? Oh, I see. Okay.
%. 50%. Gear up.
Up, fly upside down and then push over.
$25. 50%.
It's over.
We down.
Two minutes.
Very good.
It's all right. We're gonna take a picture. Now I'm going
20%. Gear up. 25 for 50%.
More and more people coming on. Yeah. There's 2 workers and who's that? George. Yeah. Damn, that's straight. Upside down. Damn. Oh, you have it on safe.
No, I don't. You can't have safe on upside down, dude.
Don't allow it, dude.
Nope.
Knowing you, Johnny, you could program it.
Only way I've done that with safe was the receiver was orientated wrong.
Oh, yeah.
50%, 50%.
And that was a very exciting flight.
Yeah.
You were here that day, Albert. Or no, maybe I think it was you and I think it was
Time remaining 2 minutes.
it was Gene for sure.
Well, I saw Sam take off with, I think it was a gasser and crash it right away. He had his, I think he had an Aura 8 in it anyway. Gyro rotors back there.
50%.
Yeah, it was me and him out here. Yeah, I got spotlights. Windy. It was windy.
50%. 50%.
Damn. That stuff is flying good, huh? Or is it the pilot?
The pilot, man.
Pilot is rusty.
Those that 2 brothers, John, or whatever his name is.
Axial roll. Damn.
Flies in.
And those are exact, huh?
Don't scare me like that. I was like, I didn't hear no warning.
20, 50%. Warning, 30 seconds.
See the warning?
Take landing flaps. 10, 0, 9, 0.
Back out. It's going to start raining again.
You want it on cold under cover?
Huh?
You want it up in the hanging?
Gear up. Gear down.
Damn it!
Is it raining?
Yep.
I got my airplane out. Come on.
Take landing flaps. Reverse fault.